Hello, what we have here is a 1956 Chevrolet 210 Post. This car is fully loaded. It features a 350 GM Performance Crate engine, a Phoenix 700 R4 overdrive transmission. It's got power windows, power four-wheel disc brakes with Wilwood brakes on all four corners, power steering, vintage air conditioning, Dakota Digital VHX gauges, tilt wheel, rain gear wiper system, power door locks with keyless entry, and a integrated alarm system. It is an extremely nice car that is ready to drive and ready to go anywhere you want to go. Fly in and drive it home. All the chrome, all the stainless is either brand new or reconditioned. This is a full restoration of an extremely solid car. To the best of my knowledge, it retains all of its original sheet metal. It rides on 18 and 20 inch Billet Specialties Legend Series Speedway wheels. It features a ultra leather interior with a Classic Industries bench seat. The Classic Industries bench seat, a couple of the great features about that is that it has reclining rear seat backs, something that the factory bench seat does not have, and also a nice fold down armrest, which I think is also very nice. Has a console, CD player, not sure if you can see, but it's also got a USB port down there to charge your electronic devices. It also has auto dimming interior lights. Once you shut the door, it'll wait 20 or 30 seconds and the interior lights automatically dim. It's very nice on the inside. It's got a shrunken down original Type 56 steering wheel. All of the AC vents are located below the dash with a vintage air billet vents. Dakota Digital VHX gauges. Also part of the alarm system / keyless entry. When you crank the car, the door locks automatically lock, and when you turn the car off, the door locks unlock. Very nice. All new glass, of course, in the car. The paint is very, very nice. Very glossy, very shiny. The car is straight. The gaps are nice on the car. Very consistent with it being original sheet metal. It's got billet door catches. Very nice touch. Like I said, it's got rain gear wipers on it. Car's been painted for a little while. There's a couple miscellaneous chips here and there, but very, very unnoticeable. The car is lowered with CPP drop spindles in the front and lowering blocks in the rear. Let's see if I can open the hood here for you. It's got a nice radiator cooling module, dual electric fans. I have personally driven this car in the summertime when it is approaching 100 degrees with the air conditioner on, and the car stays cool, which is nice. It's got billet hood hinges, both on the hood and on the trunk as well, as I will show you the trunk in just a few minutes. It's also got ED Motorsports billet hood support system underneath. Nice little touch as well. Also, these hinges are designed whereas when you go to a car show, you flip this little rod up, set it down so it supports the hood. They're on both sides. It also has this original trim tag in place, if you can see that. I'm not sure how clear that will be, but it is there. It's got electronic distributor, ceramic coated headers, an Edelbrock 600 electric choke carburetor that runs flawlessly. Electric choke works great. Pop it one time, fire the car right up. The car is nice everywhere you look. It is just a super nice restoration on an already very nice body. The car was built to drive. I would describe this car more of a touring car. Not a hot rod, but a touring car. Very nice. Take your family on trips. Go anywhere you want to go. I will. Let's see if I can pull the key out here and go let you into the trunk. It does have a remote key fob. It has two of these. You can unlock or lock the doors. Keyless entry. The trunk is equally as nice. Let me see if I can let you into the trunk here. The trunk is also finished off in ultra leather. It has a chrome reverse wheel for the spare. The battery has been relocated to the trunk with an engraved battery hold down. As you can see, the billet hinges. All the headlight bezels, everything are brand new. No steps were skipped. See if I can fire the car for you while I have you on camera here. Okay. Go. And this Dakota Digital gauge cluster is also fully programmable. The buttons are inside the glove box right here. Will come with instructions so you'll know how to program it. You can program anything from your trip destination to your quarter-mile time. It's kind of amazing what these things are capable of doing. Lights right up. Fires up effortlessly. Car has 15,182 miles on it since it was completed. So the car has been driven, it has been sorted out, and is ready to go. If you notice that little sound when you crank the car up, it does lock the doors, which is nice for safety. It also has a 3-point seatbelt harness in the car. Car's stock. Sounds very nice. It's just a very nice car. Very, very nice car, as I'm sure you can see. Cut the car off, and now as you will notice, like I mentioned earlier, when I cut the car off, you'll see the locks unlock. Does have the factory VIN tag in place, of course. See if I can shut the trunk while we're on camera here. Not sure if you can see it in the picture. There is one small blemish in the trunk right here. Very unnoticeable though. Does not stick out. Like I said, car has been painted for a while now, but it has always been garage kept in a heated and cooled facility. It's kind of hard to tell if this video is in focus. I'm doing the best I can here. Again, it's just one outstanding car. You will not be disappointed when you see it, and you won't be embarrassed to bring it to any car show.